What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be giving you the 3 mistakes that you're probably making while you're trying to intermittent fast, and I'm going to be telling you what these mistakes are and how to fix them. If you like this kind of content, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. But first, before we get into that, what is intermittent fasting? Simply put, intermittent fasting is the process of splitting your 24 hours into a eating period and a fasting period. The most common type of intermittent fasting is the 16-8. This is where you would eat for 8 hours and you would fast for 16 hours. In this example, you would eat from noon to 8 p.m. And then you would fast the rest of the time, including when you were sleeping. Intermittent fasting could be a very effective tool if you avoid these 3 common mistakes. Let's get into mistake number 1. If you're overeating during your eating window, you're not going to lose any weight, and this is very common for people who start out with intermittent fasting. What I suggest is to download an app like MyFitnessPal or something to track your calories and still put your food in, even if it's only for 8 hours. This will help keep you on track. Staying hydrated is a major factor if you want to see results with intermittent fasting. Obviously, you're going to be drinking a lot of water during your fasting window, and that'll help keep you full and not have you thinking about food 24/7. But you should also continue to drink water even during your eating window. What you don't want to do is start drinking sodas and other high calorie drinks during this time. Drinking water will help you keep in that caloric deficit the whole day. If you're not eating enough protein during your eating window, you're never going to be able to keep lean body mass while losing weight as well. So what I would suggest that you do is try to aim for 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. So for me, that would be around 180, so I would aim for about 160 to 180 grams of protein. Protein will help keep you full, and it will also keep your body burning calories.